What are negative and positive feedback loops in physiology? Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine that constantly adjusts itself to stay in balance. You might not notice it, but your body is always working behind the scenes to keep everything just right. That's where feedback loops come into play. They are the body's way of maintaining stability and responding to changes. Let's explore how these loops work and why they are so important in physiology, especially during your first and second years of medical school. Negative feedback loops are like a thermostat in your house. When the temperature gets too high or too low, the thermostat kicks in to bring it back to the set point. In your body, this means that if a variable like blood glucose rises after a meal, sensors in the pancreas detect this change. The pancreas then releases insulin, which helps cells absorb glucose, lowering blood sugar levels. Once the levels are back to normal, insulin secretion slows down. This process keeps blood glucose within a narrow, healthy range. Negative feedback is the most common way your body maintains homeostasis. It also controls body temperature, blood pressure, and hormone levels, making sure everything stays balanced. Positive feedback loops are a bit different. Instead of reversing a change, they amplify it. Think of it as a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger as it goes. For example, during blood clotting, platelets stick to a damaged blood vessel and releases chemicals that attract more platelets. This creates a rapid buildup of a clot to seal the wound. Another example is during childbirth. When a baby pushes against the cervix, nerve signals cause the releases of oxytocin. Oxytocin makes the uterus contract more strongly, which pushes the baby further down and causes more oxytocin to be released. This cycle continues until the baby is born. Positive feedback is useful when quick, decisive actions are needed. But it can be dangerous if it gets out of control, like in severe blood loss, where the body's responses might spiral and cause more harm. Understanding these feedback mechanisms is key in medical school because they explain how the body responds to challenges and keeps everything running smoothly. When these loops malfunction, health problems can happen. For example, in hypothyroidism, the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones, disrupting the negative feedback that normally keeps hormone levels in check. Recognizing how feedback loops work helps you understand many diseases and treatments. To sum it up, negative feedback loops work to keep your body's variables within normal limits by reversing changes, helping maintain stability. Positive feedback loops, on the other hand, amplify changes to achieve specific goals quickly, like stopping bleeding or giving birth. Both types of loops are essential for your body's proper functioning and are fundamental concepts in physiology and medicine.